Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a makeup look, so come hang out. I started off by putting some concealer on my lids and blending it out, and then I go over with a pink, then a red, then an orange and brown shadow in the crease and outer V. Once I have that where I want it, I go in with a gold with some setting spray on it with a flat brush and just kind of put that on the inner corner. It's snack break time! Oh, apple turnover in 3, splat! Went ahead and left that off. I am moving on to brows after my little snack break. I took the Benefit Cool Gray pencil and the Bad Girl Bang mascara to do my brows and just make them really dark and really defined with how pale my skin is. So I am going in with a felt tipped liner and making some wings, and as per usual the wings got a little out of hand, so I needed to clean them up before I moved on to the next step, which is foundation. I've got my foundation, I'm using my blender, and I'm just going to blend it out. I'm concentrating more on the innermost part of my face and under my eyes because that's where it's going to make the most difference, and making it nice and bright. I needed a little more for the bottom. The pink was coming through a little too hard, too low, and I was not about that, so go ahead and blend that out. Next is blush. I'm going to be using a ColourPop blush stick. Oh my goodness, I was so scared. I was like, oh my goodness, I just ruined this makeup look, but I didn't. I went ahead and blended it out with the same blender, the Real Technique sponge, and it was fine. I went over it with some powder. I set my whole face after this with a translucent powder. I'm using a tightly packed brush that is the NYX All Over Face brush, I believe, and I am just toting a thin layer all over my face. I am pressing it into my skin, and then I go in with the contour color or the bronzing color, whichever you would prefer, and I'm going around the perimeter of my face with it, and then I define the cheekbones and draw all that fun stuff, nose, and do a little bit underneath my lip, and that's pretty much it for the face. I'm just kind of showing you the eyeballs. Here is the Buxom Lip Injection Lip Plumping Gloss. It is amazing. It is a vegan formula, so if you're vegan, that's kind of cool. And this one is a J-Star Liquid Lip. It looks so much darker in real life than it did on camera. I don't know what the deal is. It was not picking it up properly, but once I slapped that lipstick on, we were all good. I am a cockatoo, and my hair is going crazy, but it's all good. I was struggling a little bit, obviously keeping the apple turnover on my fork for my snack break, but then it translated into, after, 30-40 minutes of chatting with my friend on Discord while I'm doing my makeup, into, oops, my hair is stuck like that. So after I struggle with this for quite a good bit, I was like, okay, this is going to be cute, little transitional thing. It ended up just being a big mess, but yeah. After I attempt to do whatever it is I'm attempting to do with this hair, I go in and I pull you in closer for the final look. Here you have it, folks. This is my makeup look, and that's how it turned out. I hope you enjoyed. I'll hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.